Hello, my name is Sarah Beecher, and this is the second video for the internal anatomy of a sheep heart for my anatomy and physiology class. If you remember in my last video, I mentioned how I made a coronal cut into the sheep heart, and it opens up kind of like a book. And we will start on this side. This thick muscle tissue is known as the myocardium. Myo means muscle, cardium refers to the heart. And inside, the inside layer of the right ventricle area is known as the endocardium, also in the left ventricle area. The right atrium area, the left atrium area. A helpful thing to remember is that atriums are on the top and ventricles are on the bottom. And I remember that because there's a saying that goes A before V, like in the alphabet. The right area has the tricuspid valves, which are held by the chordae tendineae, also known as heartstrings. The left side has the bicuspid valves, also anchored by the chordae tendineae. And you can remember that by try before you buy. Also, this is the interventricular septum, which separates the right side from the left side. At the bottom of the chordae tendineae strings are the papillary muscles that attaches. Also on the left side too. It attaches right there. My probe enters into the aorta, and then from the aorta it goes into the aortic semilunar valve. On the right side is the superior vena cava, where my probe enters into. The superior vena cava, deoxygenated blood flows from the upper part of the body into the superior vena cava and then into the right atrium. And then in the lower, or at the lower end, is the inferior vena cava, where deoxygenated blood flows from the lower parts of the body. On this side, same thing. Left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle area, right ventricle area. The left side is typically larger than the right side of the heart. And also the apex points to the left ventricle area. And that is it for my internal anatomy of the sheep heart.